Chapter 5, Linear Inequalities. The marks obtained by a student of class 11 in first and second terminal examination are 62 and 48 respectively. Find the minimum marks he should get in the annual examination to have an average of at least 60 marks. So he has got 62 marks in the first terminal examination and 48 marks in the second terminal examination. So he has to get an average of 60 marks in the annual examination. You will see how to do it. Solution. Let x equal to the marks obtained by the student in the annual examination. Let x equal to marks obtained by the student in the annual examination. Marks obtained by the student in the first terminal examination. Marks obtained in the first terminal examination equal to 62. Marks obtained in the second terminal examination. Exam equal to 48. So average marks equal to 62 plus 48 plus x divided by 3. This average marks must be at least 60. That is, it should be 60 or greater than 60. Therefore, 62 plus 48 plus x divide by 3 greater than or equal to 60. This is given as the condition. So add here, you simplify this, it becomes 110 plus x divided by 3 greater than or equal to 60. Multiply both sides by 3. 3 into 110 plus x divide by 3 greater than or equal to 3 into 60. 3 cancels. So it becomes 110 plus x greater than or equal to 180. So add minus 110 both sides. Minus 110 plus 110 plus x greater than or equal to 110 minus 110. So it becomes x greater than or equal to 70. So x greater than or equal to 70. Therefore, the student has to get a mark of at least 70 and above in the annual examination to get an average of 60. X greater than or equal to 70. That's what we got. The student must obtain a minimum of 70 marks 70 marks to get an average of at least 60 marks. So this is the answer. So he has to get 70 marks and above 70 marks to get an average of at least 60 marks. Example 8. Find all the pairs of consecutive or natural numbers both of which are larger than 10, such that their sum is less than 40. So the question is, we have to find the pairs of consecutive natural numbers, consecutive odd natural numbers, both of which are larger than 10, such that their sum is less than 40. So odd natural numbers, let us find out. Let x equal to smaller of the two consecutive odd natural numbers. X plus 2 is the other number. So one number is x, the next number is x plus 2 because consecutive or natural numbers. So their sum is less than 40. Therefore, x plus 2 less than 40. Both of the number are larger than 10. Therefore, x must be greater than 10. So, both of which are larger than 10. Therefore, x should be greater than 10. Their sum should be less than 40. So 2x plus 2 less than 40, you call this as equation 2. So 2x plus 2, add minus 2 less than 40 minus 2. So 2x, these two cancels, less than 38. Divide by 2 both sides. 2x divide by 2 less than 38 divide by 2. 2 cancels. This is 19. Therefore, x less than 19. So x is less than 19 is the condition. So x can take the value, x can take the value take the values 11, 13, 15 and 17, because x is less than 19. So it can take up to 17. So what are the pairs? Pairs of odd numbers, odd natural numbers. 11, because it should be greater than 10 and less than 19. So x is greater than 10, less than 19, therefore 11, comma 13, comma 13, 15, 15, 17, 17, 19. So these are the possible pairs. Example 9. Solve 5x minus 3 greater than or equal to minus 8 less than 7. This is an inequality. Solution. So minus 8, 5x minus 3 greater than minus 8 less than 7. We have two inequalities here. So add plus 3, minus 8 plus 3 less than, it is less than 5x minus 3 plus 3 less than 7 plus 3 becomes minus 5 less than 5x less than 10. minus 5 less than 5x less than 10 divide by 5. So minus 5 divided by 5 less than 5x by 5 less than 10. So minus 1 less than x less than 2. So this is the answer. Then example 10. Solve solve 5 minus 3x by 2 greater than or equal to minus 5 greater than less than 8. So multiply by 2 both sides. 2 into minus 5, 5 minus 3x by 2 into 2 less than or equal to 2 into 8. So it becomes minus 10 less than or equal to 2 cancels. 5 minus 3x less than or equal to 16. Add minus 5, minus 10, minus 5, minus 5 plus 5 minus 3x, 16 minus 5. It becomes minus 15 less than or equal to, this cancels, minus 3x less than or equal to 11. Divide by minus 3. So the symbol, the sign changes, it reverses. So it becomes greater than or equal to minus 3x by minus 3. Again it becomes greater than or equal to 11 by minus 3, because we are dividing by a negative number. Therefore, the sign reverses. Therefore, 5 greater than or equal to x greater than or equal to minus 11 by 3. Or we can write minus 11 by 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5. So this is the answer.